Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison and I hope you're doing well. So let's take a look at your direction sheet for your summative project for night and your template here. So our learning target is, I can answer the guiding question, to what extent are we all witnesses of history and messengers to humanity by studying a historical figure? Our success criteria is, I have answered the question by making a biography, giving historical context, and writing a PEA about my selected person. Here are your directions. As you complete your research, complete each section. When you are done, you will transfer this information to your Google site. So your goal is to pick anybody from history and think about, how is their story impactful? Why do we learn about that story? Okay? So your first step here is to pick somebody. Here is a list of the people you have to pick from. Alright, and these are just a few to get you started here. If you know someone that you want to study, you may also do that. But these are some to just start thinking about here. Okay? Once you have done that, you're going to move to the biography section. So you're going to use different resources to search this person, and you're going to fill out these sentences. Now, when you're done, this will read as a full 3 sentences. You'll delete places where it says like person's name and actually put their name. Okay? So biography, we need some background information on this person. What do you know about them? Next, you will look at the historical context and give us a little bit of background about where they came from or what was happening when they were alive. That would be important to understand their story, okay? So again, this is a template that you'll fill out. You will delete some of these things and fill out the blanks so it reads as a full 3 sentences, okay? Your resources will guide your work on this too. And then finally, you're going to do a PEA. So we're going to answer that big question about how are they a messenger to history, right? What did they bring to us, or what message are they trying to bring to the world? So you will use this template right here to write a PEA. Alright, so once this is done, you guys are going to work on this day by day, and when this is done, you will put it on your Google site to give us some more information about that person. I hope this helps, and please let me know what questions you have.